Welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about trigonometric functions. As I have said in my previous video, there are 6 trigonometric functions, but today we will discuss 3 important trigonometric functions. Before going to the trigonometric functions, let me first explain you the features of a right angle triangle. So, this is a right angle triangle. This side the vertex is 90 degree. Let me take A, B, C and the angle C be theta. So the side AC is known as hypotenuse. Okay, the side adjacent to theta is known as adjacent or base. Okay, the side opposite to theta is known as opposite or perpendicular. As it is perpendicular, the side AB is perpendicular to BC, it is also known as perpendicular. Okay, the sides, this hypotenuse, adjacent and opposite, are based on this angle theta. If the theta is here, this is the right angle triangle. If the theta is here, then this is hypotenuse as usual, and the side opposite to theta is opposite or perpendicular, and side adjacent to theta is adjacent. So you must remember this angle theta. Depending on the theta, the sides are named. Let me discuss the first trigonometric function, which is the sine function. So sine theta is equal to opposite or perpendicular by hypotenuse. So let us take a triangle A, B, C. Here this is hypotenuse, this is perpendicular, this is base, and this is 3, 4, 5. Let us take the numbers to find the value of sine theta. So sine theta is equal to perpendicular. So perpendicular is 4 and hypotenuse is 3. Sine theta is equal to 4 by 3. The next trigonometric function is cosine function. So we write cosine as cos theta. So the INE part is omitted. In sine theta also, sine is the function, but we omit the E part. Okay, so cos theta is equal to adjacent or base by hypotenuse. So cos theta becomes adjacent is 5 by hypotenuse is 3. Cos theta is 5 by 3. Next comes the third important trigonometric function, which is the tangent function. Tangent, which is generally taken as tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite or perpendicular by adjacent or base. So considering the triangle, we got tan theta is equal to 4 by 5. Okay. So the names cos theta, cosine theta, tangent theta, sin theta seems scary, but they are so. So if question is given sin theta by cos theta, we will write it as sin theta into 1 by cos theta. So formula of sin theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse into cos theta. It is the reciprocal of, we will take the reciprocal of cos theta. So hypotenuse by base. So the hypotenuse h part cancels out. We got perpendicular by base, which is the formula of tan theta. This is one of the most important relation in trigonometric. So we got sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. So you just have to remember these formulas. There is a trick to remember these formulas. So sin theta, in sin theta you have to take the S O H. In cos theta you have to take C A H, and in tan theta you have to take T O A. So we got so ka twa. This is a trick to remember these formulas. So ka twa. To know more about this and to the other trigonometric functions, follow me in my next video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.